K15 MAX Brushless Drone captures stunning aerials with screen control and intelligent features. The K15 MAX Brushless Drone is a compact and feature-rich quadcopter designed for both beginner and enthusiast aerial photographers. Equipped with a high-definition camera, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and a unique screen-controlled remote, this drone offers a user-friendly and immersive flying experience. Key features: screen-controlled remote. Experience real-time image transmission directly on the remote's built-in screen, providing a clear and immersive first-person view (FPV) of your flight. 8K HD camera with electric lens. Capture stunning aerial photos and videos with the drone's high-definition camera. The electric lens allows for remote adjustment, providing flexible shooting angles. Brushless motor. Enjoy powerful and efficient flight performance with the drone's brushless motor, offering smooth and responsive control. 4-way infrared obstacle avoidance. Fly with confidence knowing that the drone is equipped with 4-way infrared obstacle avoidance, minimizing the risk of collisions and ensuring a safer flight experience. Optical flow positioning. Maintain stable flight and precise positioning with the optical flow positioning system, allowing for smooth hovering and accurate maneuvers. Horizontal to vertical to downward shooting. Capture diverse perspectives with the drone's ability to shoot horizontally, vertically, and downward. Long endurance. Enjoy approximately 15 minutes of flight time on a single charge, providing ample time to capture your desired footage. Gravity sensing and trajectory flight. Control the drone with intuitive gravity sensing or plan custom flight paths by drawing trajectories on your smartphone screen. One-key takeoff and landing. Simplify flight operations with the one-key takeoff and landing function, making the drone easy to fly for beginners. Speed switching and special effects rolling. Add excitement to your flights with speed switching and special effects rolling features. Mobile phone control. Control the drone directly from your smartphone via the dedicated app. Foldable design. The drone's foldable design makes it easy to transport and store, allowing you to take it on your adventures. Specifications. Product code, screen control, K15 MAX. Main material, ABS. Color, black, white. Aircraft battery, 3.7V 1800 mAh lithium battery. Remote battery, charging 18650 1200 mAh. Charging time, ~40 minutes. Flight time, ~15 minutes. Remote control distance, ~80 to 100 meters. Flight altitude, ~100 meters. Flight environment, indoor, outdoor. Functions: real-time image transmission screen remote control. Brushless motor. Electric lens. Horizontal to vertical to downward shooting. Optical flow positioning. 4-way obstacle avoidance. Storage type remote control. Air pressure fixed high-definition image transmission. Gravity sensing trajectory finger drawing. 2-point for G signal special effects rolling. Speed switching mobile phone control. One landing takeoff, one key landing. Overall, the K15 MAX Brushless Drone is a versatile and user-friendly drone that offers a unique combination of features. Its screen-controlled remote, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and high-definition camera make it a great choice for capturing stunning aerial photos and videos. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, the K15 MAX Drone provides an enjoyable and rewarding flying experience.